once again, the skies above Warwick were full of
Oh my God.
magnificent birds of prey. A sight that would indeed be the